रोल मिला कैसे? ये धर जादू था, धुरंधर धर 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 धर.
Normally, I'm a little lazy with the auditions, which now I'm not, but back then I was 2 years ago. And I said, no, it's Aditya Dhar, and I love his work.
धुरंधर में राकेश बेदी, जो कि जमील जमाली आपके हस्बैंड बने हैं, उन्होंने कम से कम 5, 10, 15 पता नहीं कितनी बार, और वो आइकॉनिक डायलॉग भी बन गया, बच्चा है तू मेरा. एक बार भी ये बोला, बीवी है तू मेरी. I would not say he's acted. I think he lived that song, Binte Dil song. I heard the song, I saw him, and it got into me. Thankfully, right after the song, interval, I went into the washroom and I did Binte Dil. I was like, oh.
Oh my God, listen, I worked very hard, yeah.
I've seen.
बोलो, say I worked
Oh
very
my
hard.
God, you have no idea. आजकल तो ये ना टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर्स आ गए हैं, हाथ में स्क्रिप्ट, इट्स सो इजी.
स्क्रिप्ट लर्न भी कर रहे हैं, लास्ट में ब्रीज भी आ रही है, अपना मेकअप भी खुद कर रहे हैं, बाल भी पता नहीं क्या.
सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम लगता था आई और
Oh, I
Oh my
still hate.
God.
I still can't.
How do you think your take on how event industry has evolved over the last 25 years?
I don't think too many people today understand the transformative power of
The
a
stage.
live stage. It's not like TV, it's not like cinema, it's not like
There is no
OTT.
retake, yeah. It's
Live
once and
is
for all.
live, and it's very powerful, very powerful. And you're in my phone, you're still saved as Payal MC Dimple Wali.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah.
Walk the talk the act, ace the act. So many feathers in one crown, and now the crowning jewel. Ladies and gentlemen, in conversation with your favorite Shabnam Jamali, aka my dear friend, and I think I would call her the best anchor in India, Gitika Ganjudhar.
Thank you.
Gitika, how are you, my darling?
Right back to you. What a,
so good to
such
see
a
you.
long time it's
Such
been.
a long time. Oh my God, Shabnam Jamali.
Would you ever thought?
I never. पहले I'm really keen. रोल मिला कैसे? ये धर जादू था, धुरंधर धर 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 धर, या फिर
No. Yeah, I think this is all written in the stars. So it was very simple. Yeah, I got a call from my the casting agent, Mukesh Chabra's team. And the only thing that they told me that it was Aditya Dhar who was directing it. So normally I'm a little lazy with the auditions, which now I'm not, but back then I was 2 years ago. And I said, no, it's Aditya Dhar, and I love his work, and I love the nationalistic flavor of his work.
Yeah,
so I
most
immediately
important.
went and I gave the screen test, and I got the role, and there I was on the set in a few weeks, and that was the first time I met the director, Aditya Dhar. So we share a common surname. He's a Kashmiri Pandit, I'm a Kashmiri Pandit. My mum is a Dhar, my husband is a Dhar. That's all there is to it.
So I need to know, how was the Dhar connection on stage, on set?
Oh, he's so nice. He's so well behaved. And, he's directing a venture which is also very large scale with so many top actors and actresses in it. There's a lot happening in his mind. There's a lot happening on set. And there he is with just the most endearing smile, never a strain on his forehead.
Yeah, this is one thing I think everyone has mentioned about him.
Yes.
All the artists that
I don't know how
met.
he does it.
Yeah.
Yes, but
under
it's
so
just-
much of pressure, so much to learn from
Yes.
him.
Also, I think it's because he's prepared. A lot of years of prep must have gone into this. So when he steps onto the set, I think he's very clear in his head what he wants. And I think somewhere Kashmiri Pandits are spiritual. Just it's a very organic, very real part of all of us. So I think that also somewhere grounds him, and he's just a simple bloke with extraordinary talent.
Before we take another question, Gitika, do you remember your time in Kashmir when
Of course I do.
before the whole thing happened?
No, of course I do.
Please
So
do share.
my dad was in the army.
How old were you?
I have never lived
Even-
permanently in Kashmir. So Papa was in the army, so he was posted all across the country. So we would go for summer holidays. And I remember those times. I remember the old house in Safakadal. I remember...
Where was it? In?
Safakadal.
Ah.
So my Nani's side was in Safakadal and my Dada's side was in Narsinghar. So I remember the houses, I remember the roses, the berries, the anar trees. the shopping, Dal Lake. I remember it all. I remember, and Kashmiri houses have this little attic on the top. On the topmost level.
Yeah, the incline.
Yes,
whatever.
yes.
Yeah, oh my
I'm
God.
surprised you know. So we used to go hide there, and
Yeah,
there used to
and
be
play hide and
pigeons.
seek?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Pigeons and
Wow.
So I remember it all. Yeah.
So now coming back, I remember your first role. We would share Gitika's journey before she became an actress later. But before that, what was your first role
My first role as an actor.
as an actor? Of course, first role as an MC, we all know, and what you're creating tomorrow as well. We'll talk about that. But your first role as an actor.
So technically first role as an actor was in a film directed by a very, very dear friend of mine. She's the director of Izomes now, Tanuja Shankar. So it was Music Meri Jaan. That was very long ago. But the first one, of course, was then Lal Singh Chadda.
Yes.
There again, just a call out of the blue from a casting agent.
And I still remember when you came, like, oh, that's Gitika, that's my friend. I was so excited.
That was the first one. And things would have taken off then itself, but then COVID came.
Yes.
And I got massively entangled in the onslaught that COVID brought into my life. So those 2 years just flew. And then came Dhurandhar and now Lukhe.
Yes.
I'm so proud of Lukhe.
एब्सोल्युटली
Yes.
अच्छा मेरे को एक बात बताओ धुरंधर में राकेश बेदी जो कि जमील जमाली आपके हस्बैंड बने हैं उन्होंने कम से कम 5, 10, 15 पता नहीं कितनी बार और वो आइकॉनिक डायलॉग भी बन गया बच्चा है तू मेरा एक बार भी ये बोला बीवी है तू मेरी
नहीं तो ये रिलेशनशिप तो था ही नहीं ना that was not their bond. They have a bit of a hyperactive bond.
Yeah, I think वो Tom and Jerry.
She's supposedly much younger to him in the film.
Yes.
And he's much older guy, married to. So, but off the camera, he's very nice. He used to joke a lot, and my God. Look at how his performance has.
Yes. Did you ever expect day one of the shoot?
No.
That okay.
I think Aditya knew.
Yeah.
Aditya knew, and I think even Ranveer knew. I remember reading somewhere that Ranveer said that if the film does X amount of crore business, then this X amount will be because of Rakesh sir's performance. So they're seasoned cinematic artists, so they knew what he was doing.
And I love the fact how they celebrated burps. Imagine you need to have that.
No, but he's really, I mean, उन्होंने
Acidity को भी हीरो बना दिया आपने.
Yeah. You know, he's 50 years acting now, Payal.
Yes.
50 साल से act कर रहे हैं वो. And he just, I think, just flew with it. And even that scene in the pool where, he's having a sip from the glass.
Correct.
And just, if you see him off screen, he's so different, and just so jamali.
Yeah.
I think Indian cinema in the last decade, we haven't really seen too many of such cult, popular characters.
Yes.
He's like
A side character who became the real actor. Imagine.
Yeah. And isn't that what is so nice about the lead star of this film,
Yes,
Ranveer?
absolutely.
That
We'll
everybody
talk about
around him.
also.
Of course
वो तो
we
हम
will.
गर्ल टॉक करते हैं लेकिन
Girl
उससे पहले I have to पर उससे पहले कितने
I haven't met a single girl who doesn't have a crush on him.
I loved him in part 1.
Yes.
With that Pathani suit and those long mane.
Yes.
Oh my God.
He did look very nice.
How did you not stop looking at him? When you
well.
saw him the first time in that look, my heart skipped a beat. I was like, oh my goodness, look at this guy. Because I relate to his energy a lot. He has a different sense of energy.
No, he's a great ball of love.
Yes, acha, okay, apart from that.
He's a great ball of love. There again, he's somebody who extends his energy bandwidth so much that to say hi properly to everybody, to smile at everybody, to hug so many people, to give so many people so many selfies, to say something nice to almost everybody on the set takes energy, Payal.
Yeah, absolutely.
And you can't. That's not acting. He's not faking it. You can't do it all the time.
He's that
so this is
natural
how
all the time.
Yeah, this is how he is,
Wow.
and I think that's why the blessings have come his way.
Yes.
Because when you give
Dua.
love, yes,
That is
and
why I got the
yes, yes, such a nice name.
Yes,
Dua.
I love it.
So he gives love, and the universe has given it back to him. See how simple.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
That's
And about the good looks.
yes, I want to know when you saw him the first time that
I'm
look.
not telling you what,
Please बताओ
what
ना,
went
please,
through my
please,
mind. No
नहीं,
way.
नहीं, नहीं. I want to know because I was like, oh my goodness, because we've seen him we liked him in Padmavat, and I loved him in Rocky and Rani Ki Prem Kahani. I think he was phenomenal. He was
Oh
just
my
absolutely into his guy was fab.
Handled with care, yaar. Fragile. I love him in that
loved
film.
it.
I love
But
the dialogue.
this look.
So this,
Oh,
I
it's a
feel
killer.
personally, my opinion is that this is the best he's ever looked.
Yes.
Yes, especially the long hair and the your bulked up body, which was just right.
Just right.
You know, the
Pathani
Pathani suits
suit.
and the color of his skin, the
Yes,
freckles.
yes. Did you just say, oh my God?
No, I don't do all that. Whatever is happening, it's in the head, but nothing happened. He's just such a very nice boy,
Yes,
man.
he's
such a nice
He's
boy.
a great actor. You know, I'll share my experience with
वो एक्टर तो आप बोलो ही मत मतलब एक्टर
actor तो कमाल ही कर दिया. It's like
Wow.
another level. You know,
कैसे किया?
I would share my experience. So Padmavat में उनका वो गाना है ना बिनते दिल. Have you
हाँ,
seen the way he's?
Yes,
I would
yes.
not say he's acted. I think he lived that song, Binte Dil song. And you know, I heard the song, I saw him, and it got into me. And I was like, what should I do? The energy, it's like मेरे अंदर ना energy gush हो गया. And I was like, what to do? Thankfully, right after the song, interval I went into the washroom and I did. I was like, oh.
He'll be so happy to hear this.
I think he is, he rubs onto you. He is charismatic.
More than charismatic, you know, Payal, what I feel he's just someone who has so much passion for cinema.
Yes.
So much passion for the opportunities and the blessings he has, the kind of films he's doing, that authenticity, that the love for what he's doing is so real.
Correct.
You know,
That's true.
and he works very hard. और मुझे ये भी लगता है कि कई बार लोगों को ना बहुत blessings होती हैं यूनिवर्स की. So I don't think it's only about his charisma. I think it's about his energy is very uninhibited. So there are no walls. There's no obsession with false self, false ego. I feel. I don't know him that well, but हम लोग you can understand.
Right,
You
of
can
course,
read
of
a
course.
person if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
work with them. He's just flowing. So that connection between energies, between humans that he creates, it's very powerful.
And no wonder he's so contagious.
Yeah, it's very powerful. So I think I haven't met anyone who has anything not very nice to say about him. In general, people just
Where
say
were you
very
in
nice
Dhurandhar
things.
2?
Where was I in Dhurandhar 2? You
I kept doing कितने काम आएगी अब धुरंधर 3 की वेट करनी पड़ेगी मुझे लगता है उसके लिए.
चलो कर लेते हैं. ये भी आदित्य को ही मालूम होगा.
Do you have any idea? Is he planning Dhurandhar 3?
I
Because
have
I think
no.
we all are waiting.
Let him answer that.
Yeah, we will
Let
wait.
him answer
Yeah,
that.
yeah, absolutely. Talking about your recent project.
Yeah.
I think you're working in
Look K.
Look K.
Yes.
Tell us about what is Look K.
Look K is on Amazon Prime now. Please see it.
Sure.
It's
We
very
all will see,
It's a
yes.
different show. Despite having the thematic content that it has, it's very light on your nerves. It catches you emotionally. You like the characters, very fresh, new kind of characters that you haven't seen on OTT before. And I was lucky to get the role to play Lucky's Amma. So he's the main protagonist in the show. Such a talented, dedicated actor, Lakshmi Singh Saran. And I play his mother. And मैं ना बहुत rarely अपनी तारीफ करती हूँ. Payal, you know that, right?
Yeah, of course.
I think all of us were born critical for ourselves, but I'm very happy with how my scenes have turned out and my performance. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Thank you, God. Thank you, Dada.
So you play the mother.
Yes, I play Amma.
Challenging, huh?
No. I'm happy to slip into once you've chosen a character, for me, what is most important is that I should deliver that 100%.
be the character,
Yes. And there I can't go wrong. So it's like जो काम के लिए आप आए हैं वो करने के लिए, आप एक कैरेक्टर पोर्ट्रे करने के लिए आए, उसके रास्ते में कुछ नहीं आना चाहिए. So that way, I think I'm pretty sorted in my head. I'm not worried about how I'm looking, how is this angle looking, how the clothes looking. I think most good actors now don't worry about these things. I don't worry at all.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Of course, like I know you, definitely.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because I've had enough of that on
Yeah,
stage,
yeah,
worrying about your clothes, your makeup, and you're wearing heels and you.
Yeah, I think because
I'm
of that,
done.
जैसे मुझे तो ना OCD हो गया to be natural.
Yeah.
Because we
It's a good time we're
we're
living
on
in.
stage.
Yeah.
आपको हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ you have to be all decked up. You're like, I don't want to put on anything.
I've had
I want
30
to be
years of
natural.
dressing
Yes,
up for stage.
yes,
Can you
yes.
imagine how
My
fatiguing
goodness.
it must be?
Yeah, we'll talk about that journey.
Yeah.
But इससे पहले ना, so the legacy of Khans to the Ranveer. So you worked with Amar,
Yes.
and you worked with Ranveer
I
Singh.
worked with Shah Rukh also
Shah Rukh as well.
in an ad.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
So from the Khans to the changing, I mean, I would not say that. I think everybody has their share of success. So did you feel? What was the difference working with Amar Khan or similarity in Ranveer?
So let's not get into the difference bit, but
थोड़ा तो difference, एक difference तो बनाते, एक तो बनता है, कुछ
Yeah,
तो
so,
controversy create करे.
बात
No,
ये
just
है
kidding.
कि
Yeah.
no, I'm
Yeah.
happy to. I love saying it as it is. Amir sir, we had, when QSQT came, all of us had, I think the whole country had a
Yeah.
crush on
Yeah,
Amir Khan. I was in the
absolutely.
10th back then.
Oh my God.
And so then from there on, you kind of come and, do a production with him. So for me, he was Amir sir, and he stays in character on set. He pretty much looks into everything that is going into the scene. So it's a very different vibe with him. Whereas so many years later, when I performed with Ranveer, it's far easier, and it was far more informal with him. But that's because of who Amir Khan was when I was doing Lal Singh Chadda. As a person, he's different. As people, they're obviously different. So yeah, it's more enjoyable working with Ranveer. अरे तुम ना फंसा दिया मेरे को देखो. But see, with Amir sir, there's so much of respect.
Yeah.
So much of respect for him. तो वो वैसा flow नहीं करता है.
See, like I told you, Ranveer is contagious when it comes to energy. Amir is perfectionist, so you need to be like,
No, I
probably
wouldn't
on.
say Amir is perfectionist and Ranveer is not.
Okay.
No, I wouldn't say that. So even with Amir, I think they just, they just go at him for no reason. It's not perfection. What he wants to achieve is his vision. Similarly, even what Ranveer wants to achieve is his vision.
Correct.
And we all have different
Yes.
energies, different ways to approach. So they're different people in that sense.
Right.
But both create and etch characters onto that big screen that Indian audiences have loved over the last so many decades.
Absolutely.
I mean, what characters both of them have created for the screen, right?
Absolutely. अच्छा मेरे को एक बात बताओ, हम ना like जैसे Facebook पे भी कितनी बार we have exchanged messages
Yeah.
on this that you have this uncanny
What are you going to
resemblance to अब कुछ naughty question आने वाला है.
Bolo, go for it.
Okay.
I think we need to inject some naughty in my life. I'm far too boring.
So I mean you have this uncanny resemblance to
Kareena.
See. You answer.
Everyone tells me that.
Yeah, so do you think that was one of the significant reasons that you backed that role also?
No. I was playing Amir's Masi.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
Kareena was his love interest. But I remember when we met on the set, we both just said, "Oh my God, we just look so similar."
Yeah.
But that was that. But
कुंभ के मेले में बिछड़े वगैरह वगैरह.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. She's so gorgeous.
Yeah, she's
such a gorgeous girl and such a good actress.
Yes. So Gitika, now talking about please.
But the funny part is that sometimes when I'm in, I take a cab or I'm talking to someone or some staff or whatever. So I get told this, I think, 10 times in a month. Madam, आप बुरा ना मानना, but आप इनकी जैसी लगती हैं. And I'm like,
Okay, thank
yes,
you.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Let's move on.
So, Gitika, now let's talk about stage.
Stage, yes.
Yes.
The way you make me feel. That's stage,
Absolutely.
yeah.
So, what change do you see now? I think we started what in year 2003, 4? As
No, I
as
started in 2000.
You started in 2000.
I think so. Maybe even a year earlier, but yeah,
Yeah.
approximately around that time.
As a corporate anchor, MC.
I started as a corporate anchor. My first show was the trailer of the trailer release of Pardes
Oh,
for Anuradha Prasad of Back Films.
okay.
And after that, there was a gap, and then suddenly Honda was brought into the country, Honda Cars. And I remember my first project as an anchor was Auto Expo.
Yes.
Those 7.
Oh my God, 7 days, rigorous days, day. सुबह से लेकर शाम तक बोले जा. और मेरा तो 7th day के बाद गला बैठ जाता. 6 days शुरू हो जाता था. Then I could not speak for a
Payal,
week.
I
yeah.
look back and I just tell Gitika back then that, are you mad? कोई इतनी मेहनत कैसे कर सकता है?
My goodness.
Like we used to learn up those technical presentations and 25 minutes talking without prompters and monitors of
goodness.
technical details of
Oh, yes.
automotive stuff, and doing that literally 8-9 times in a day.
Yes.
Starting at some
Yeah,
6:30, makeup in the morning,
You know,
and
वो होता था जैसे crowd आ गया start.
yeah, I
The
mean,
moment you see crowd,
so
you
Honda
start.
was a bit
Yeah.
more planned than
Yeah.
that, but and every single time, putting in that
Yeah.
punch, that energy, those
yes.
smiles to everybody in the audience.
Random,
You had a new
unknown
audience
people. Yeah, every
every 1 hour. Oh my God! Listen, I worked very hard, yeah.
I've seen.
बोलो say I worked.
Oh
very
my
hard.
God, you have no idea. आजकल तो ये ना teleprompters आ गए हैं हाथ में script. It's so easy. Those were the days when you had to remember your
Payal,
lines.
you remember? We would drive on our own,
Oh
reach
my
the
God,
event.
yes.
Green rooms भी कई बार नहीं होते थे.
Oh.
There was no, we didn't type scripts on
Yes,
comps,
yes,
right? We
yes.
used to write them by hand, and then in those times, people would expect us to learn them. That's how we
Yes.
learn.
Yes, that's how we learn.
That's how we
Yes,
are the kind of anchors that we are, right?
Yeah.
Script learn भी कर रहे हैं, last minute breeze भी आ रही है, अपना मेकअप भी खुद कर रहे
कर रहे
हैं,
हैं।
बाल भी पता नहीं क्या,
और
कुछ
कुछ
खींच
अच्छा
खाच
actually
के।
remember सबसे ज्यादा टाइम लगता था eyelashes
Eyelash.
और
Oh, I
Oh my
still hate.
God.
I still can't put eyelashes on my own. I still can't do it. So I still can't apply my lashes on my own. I don't know what were we talking about.
कि मेकअप कितना मुश्किल होता था सब खुद करते
हाँ,
थे.
okay. So I still can't put lashes on my own. कितना कुछ हम लोग खुद करते थे एंड उस ज़माने में रिमेंबर वी हैड event managers who if you look down and read something they would be like what a bad anchor and
oh my God.
now, that's what I tell all the MCs today that you have it so easy guys.
It is
The
very
scripts are
easy.
written for you, makeup is done for you, your clothes are styled for you, you have
Clothes
your
are style हमें तो
you know,
कभी we used to hunt for clothes कहाँ से लेके आओ GK1 M Block तब तो हमारा हक
some of the
होता था.
clothes we used
Oh
to
my
wear, God फाड़ दो वो सारी pictures.
अब वो photograph
And the gel, you remember the gel, the hair gel?
Gel.
Like कुछ नहीं आता है बालों के साथ करना, बस gel लगा लो
या
और
फिर
पीछे
वो
ponytail बना
ponytail बना लो. My goodness.
How hard we have worked.
Yes.
नहीं?
But
Not
उस
fair.
time पे जो events भी होते थे ना वो भी level भी अलग होता था. I used to enjoy those
Yes.
events.
They were tough, huh?
They were tough.
They were tough to deliver.
But I think that we enjoy that. That is what we enjoyed.
I don't know, Payal, if I enjoyed all of that, but like I said, if you give me a job to do, I will do it to the best of my, more than the best of my ability. So I don't really think I have really enjoyed anything that much over the last 30 years in terms of my presence in the professional arena, because to some people hard work is enjoyable and to some people hard work is not enjoyable, and I push myself to the extreme when I work, and I work really really hard. So I don't know how that can be enjoyable, but yeah. But you know what, I enjoy being on a set and acting.
Yeah.
Yes. So I enjoy that.
That.
So maybe, and I think I'm going to enjoy doing the speeches and the books and all of that. So now I think I'll enjoy
2000,
myself.
I think 2000 is what
Yes.
you said you started, and now we are in 2026.
Yes.
What difference have you seen? How do you think, in your take on how event industry has evolved over the last 25 years?
So I think we've gone from being Upanishad to what is that? What are those books called? Chick flicks? Those love chick books? Yeah. So we've gone from Upanishads
MVs.
to yeah, I mean, no offense meant, but to Mills and Boons, okay?
Mills and Boons.
So that is, so the tech has gone up.
Yes.
The outreach has gone up, the monies of finances, the expanse has widened immeasurably thanks to the Prime Minister that we've had for the
Yes,
last so many years. But the content, the research, the ideas, the depth.
Evaporated.
And you know what? The biggest thing what today's Gen Z is not understanding about live events is that when you want to impact somebody in the audience, the best way to do it is from stage. I don't think too many people today understand the transformative power of
The
a
stage.
live stage and how serious and how big this opportunity is to go up there and do something that is meaningful, something that the audience takes with them when they go. It's not like TV, it's not like cinema, it's not like
There is no
OTT.
retake, yeah. It's
Live
once and
is
for all.
live, and it's very powerful. It's very powerful. My Guru Dada, he says that one of the most important vehicles of transformation in the years ahead is going to be culture. And मैंने जो निष्कर्ष निकाला है over the last 1 or 2 years, I've been thinking a lot about live, and I'm saying this is really going to be a vehicle of great impact. तो कुछ भी by chance नहीं होता है. The resurgence of live with our current Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, how he has used live to spread his message and his popularity and his outreach. The impact has been phenomenal. I think we need to. I think now not too many people are real. It's become more about कितना पैसा बनाया जा रहा है, कितना कंपनी ग्रो कर रही है,
दिखोगे, बिकोगे,
मेरे पास कितने
चलेगा,
शोज हैं,
बिल्कुल,
मैं कितना पैसा मुझे दिया जा रहा है, मैं क्या कपड़े पहन
and
रहा
all
हूँ.
about viewership, कितने views है,
Yes.
followers हैं.
Yes.
Content को तो बिल्कुल, I call it content crisis.
It is a content crisis. So when the Saptarishis wrote the Vedas, they wrote the Vedas to change the world,
Yes.
to teach the world that this is how you live, right? When Manusmriti was written, it was written to change the world, to teach humans how to be. I'm not saying everyone should subscribe to, I'm a Hindu, so I can talk about what I know of my stream of faith. Similarly, I feel there is a need now to look within and to make some magic on stage, not just transaction.
Like you are starting or you're planning. Tell us about EMA, you call it EMA?
EMA, yes.
Yeah,
Yes. So EMA is the Event and Entertainment Management Association
Yes.
of India. It's the apex body of live events in the country. I've been a member for the longest time now, and
Tell
I
about-
lead their artist initiative.
Oh, wonderful.
Yes, their live artist initiative. So we're doing some wonderful things. We're trying to do some wonderful things for live artists. And I think the most wonderful thing that has happened in the last few years under the presidentship of the current president, Samit Garg, is inclusivity, and how a shift has slowly but surely occurred, where if I put it very bluntly, then